Hi there friends, welcome to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen, and today this video is going to be a different one than the usual because a lot of my friends are asking me to teach the basics of cooking. That's the reason in this video I'm going to show you the most basic skill you need to learn before you start cooking. I'm going to show you how to cut the onions in different ways and where are those onions used, what are all the tips, tricks and the techniques involved in this. So let's do this. The most important thing in chopping anything is the basics. Those are a sharp knife and a paper towel, or you can use a tissue also, and a chopping board. To make this look, what happens is it might get moved like this. So that's the reason I'm taking a kitchen towel like this, adding little bit of water, and then I will place this chopping board on this, and the chopping board will not move and stays firm in its place. So here we are going to learn how to cut the onions perfectly. Here I have taken a chef knife like this, and for this the most important thing would be the grip. So here you go, this is a knife, this would be the knife, the handle and the tip. For this you need to grip the knife in such a way that it would be easier to maneuver. For this I am keeping it like this one. Look, can you see this? Like this, or else like this, a big posture like this. This is the perfect and ideal position to hold a knife. With this you can actually easily maneuver. Never put your finger on top like this, or don't make a fist like this. This is a very bad posture. This is a very bad grip. So what we need to do this is, so we'll take a sharpened knife first like this, and we'll keep these onions firmly like this, and we'll place a knife and just cut it like this. And to this we'll just peel this off. To this we need to cut them. We'll slightly angle this knife like this and trim this away. We'll discard this. Similarly to this one also. Now look, the onions are nicely cut. Soon after the onions are cut like this, add them in the water. So whenever you peel this onion, there is a coating of a black powder which can be a fungus. So that's the reason why whenever you need to cut onion, you slice it and keep it in the water. Black powder known as a fungus will go away. Do you know the reason why you cry when you cut onions? Because there is a chemical called as a sulfur. Over a many period of time in the soil, it will gather a chemical called as a sulfur, and that's the chemical which is responsible which makes you cry whenever you cut this onion. So that's the reason you need to slice the onion into and you place it in the water so that the sulfur get dilutes and you don't get that much of a tears when cutting the onions. The first cut which I am showing you is the vertical cut. I will take an onion like this, keep it here firmly placed, and then by the knife, the grip is also very important. For this you need to have a claw grip like this. You don't put like this. If you put like this, there is a chances of you cutting yourself. So that's the reason we need to keep like this, a claw grip, the knuckles, and then chop it like this. Single motion, done. Or else you can push to yourself. After this, just rotate it and then done. Here you go, you got yourself the vertical slices. And the second slice will be the horizontal one. Rather than we keeping the onion like this, we'll turn the onion like this and we need to slice them like horizontally, like this. The thickness can be always be adjusted like this. Claw grip and single stroke. And it's done. And here you go, you got the horizontal slices. These go excellent with the salads. And the third type would be a chopping. I have taken an onion like this. Pay attention to this. I have kept the onion like this and I have kept the shoot intact. So what you need to do is, with the help of the knife tip, you need to cut onion like this. And you need to add a nice slit one, and then you chop this. Take an onion like this. With the help of a tip, just make incisions like this. Take it out, have a one incision and one single rocky motion, cut them. When this comes to the close, keep it down. And then you can chop these onions in another way. Take a onion, slice it down, and then rather than putting like this, you turn this like a horizontal one and then make a same slits. And then you make a slice and then single rocky motion. And look, now the onions are nicely done. And here you go, the finely chopped onions are now ready. And the next one is the dicing. So we'll take another half of the onion and we'll take off the shoot. There are three types of dices. One is a small cut, medium cut and the large one. So I have taken an onion, kept it like this and made a small slits across. And nearly we need to cut in a length of nearly half centimeter like this. These are the small dices. Similarly, we will take another onion, take off the shoot, place an incision and make somewhat a bigger one and turn it around and make nearly a 1 centimeter length like this. These are the medium one. Similarly, the third one, take an onion, take off the shoot, make just 1 or 2 cuts like this. Make more than 1 centimeter cut like this. And here you go, these are the large dices. Small one, medium one and the large one. And the next cut will be the petals. So we'll take an onion like this, we'll just cut it in 2. This will be the most easiest cut. We'll take the onion and just peel off the skin like this. Just peel it off. And here you go, you got yourself the onion petals. And the next one will be the roundels. So for this I'm taking an onion like this and I'm placing it firmly like this and having a claw grip. With the help of a sharp knife I'm cutting them like this. And here the nice roundels are done here, and you can adjust the thickness. And here you go, the nice roundels are done. And these are the basic cuts: roundels, horizontal slices, vertical slices, dices small, dices medium, dices large, petals, and the finely chopped onions. This is how you cut onions like a pro. These are all the ways how to cut the onion in a perfect method. So I show you all my techniques, tips and tricks to cut the onions like pro. Today in this video we learn few important things are: have a sharp knife, have a firm chopping board, have a claw grip. So hope you guys like this tutorial. This is the first time I'm trying this. If you like this video, don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below. I will be eagerly waiting for your response. I will be back in next one. Till then, signing off and Jai Hind. Namaste.